And poor baby. You guys are next. Oh, Bella. Hi, baby.
Oh, not that one. Sorry.
Oh, it's got to feel good, Belle Belle. That feel good?
I want to get some conditioner on there so I don't have to tug so hard when I brush it out and blow dry it.
Oh, Robo, you're killing me. Good Lord, Mama, you're going to owe that dog a sausage.
That's not a bad idea.
Oh, that poor baby.
Yeah.
You know what she's going to do, right?
Yeah.
She's going to go find furniture to roll on and then go find dirt.
Oh, look at that.
What?
For fuck's sake.
What is it?
Good job of hiding.
I don't know if there are enough sausages in this house to compensate for this heinous atrocity against this dog. You bozos are next. You want to get in the sink?
Stop. Bill. I've got to rinse you off now.
Reminds me of the first time that Griggs gave Nipples a bath.
If you don't let me get this rinsed out, we're going to be here all day. If you let me rinse it out, we won't be here all day. Now?
And he walked in there with this little 8-week puppy and he came out soaked to the skin.
Uh-huh.
And the next time he went in there with her, he dressed up in a hefty bag. He still came out soaked to the skin.
You're not leaving this sink with gross stuck to you, and that's all there is to it. Here's the rule. I always win. Now, your futile attempts at struggling will get you nowhere. You're lucky I'm not brushing your fucking teeth. I have a rule. It's called the humans are in control. Got 3 months of food hanging in your beard. For Pete's sake, I can't even get it scrubbed out with soap. No wonder you smell like the dickens.
You're going next, Bruiser. I'm talking to Bruiser. Bruiser, you want to go next?
Oh, with all my heart I want to be next, Mommy. I see how much fun Bella's having. I just can't resist.
Yeah, Bella's the worst of the worst. Oh, that is one miserable dog right there. That is one unhappy baby.
I know.
Oh, Belladonna. Your Roro fixed you up good, huh? I need to have like a dog squeegee on her. Oh, that pitiful look.
Here, Mommy. It's a bundly baby.
Bundly baby. Oh. No! No! That is not right.
What?
Oh, she just squirted me.
You didn't dry her at all.
I was trying to close my camera and she squirted me.
She doesn't squirt.
Sprayed.